ask you a question. Please be honest.
They're not gonna believe when I say it's recorded on iPhone. Yeah, now I am.
Yeah, toast to the life, man.
All
Toast
right,
up, baby.
and then one for Jabril.
Yeah, man.
Well, not too much though. To this trip, y'all gonna be sleeping several hours. Gotta clean the lens. Are we good? We rolling? What's up? On our way to go see. Well, actually, it's two of us, two groups. We'll see you guys later in the next clip. I don't even know where we are. It says that we're in like Sutherland. Rah. Look at him. He woke up. He just woke up.
I got a boogie.
Well, actually, we're not even there yet. We still got like 2 hours to go. Well, we finally made it to Lubbock. You don't see the camera. You don't see the camera. I don't know whether to go to the mall or sleep. I don't know.
Hey, right now we're at the Corral of Goldens.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give me a meat plate, side plate, sweet plate, to-go plate, and I'm stealing some cookies. I put it in my pocket for old times, you know what I'm talking about? That's how we do. We from Wacko.
All right, bro.
You gotta show them. You gotta show them how to give. I'm gonna tell y'all a real life story. So you're talking about this shit really happened to me. I swear to God.
Yo, I'm sorry. I usually don't do this, but it has to be done. It's my first vlog. I have to go back and edit, and I'm gonna add some clips to try and make it better. There was actually a waitress that didn't mind being on YouTube. I'm gonna add her now. Yeah, just a lot of editing mistakes, but I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. And I hope you enjoy. Continue.
Why, thank you for this. Me and my man on YouTube.
That's fine. Did y'all need anything? You can do either or. Yep. And then, okay.
Out of all the places we could have stopped you, I'll stop you.
It was an accident.
This jacket.
You see what I'm saying? You see, a cup at Chicken Run. A cup at Chicken Run would have been $3. But over here it's $2.69. And you can get half a gallon. And this milk looks like lemonade.
It's not lemonade. It's lemonade. Wow. Look at that milk. Wow. Get a close up on what he thought was milk. No, he thought that was milk. Wow.
Okay. It was turned.
Wow.
It was turned like this, and all I saw was the MIL.
This chocolate milk look amazing though, don't?
You got something to say?
You're an Avenger. Scott Lang.
Dun, dun, dun. He playing some slaps too. He got some slaps.
So we're in Sweetwater, Texas, right across the street from that water.
Sweet.
I'm talking about.
Sweetwater, Texas.
I wanna go and stand on the knee with my fist up in that bitch.
And now we're at Hef's Burgers.
I just wanna. Oh my God.
Yeah, anyway, that was my vlog, my first vlog. It's really all in the editing, but yeah. So you guys wanted a 60% discount on my photo shoot. So like and subscribe, all that jazz. I don't want to sound like a YouTuber, but it's the love of the game. So, but thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time in the next video.